Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here is another tutorial for the song Mundhinam Parthene. If you've not listened to the song is at the link below. So the original song is actually in the key of B major, but for this tutorial we'll be using the key of C major. We will be using the fingerstyle methods plus some of the chords. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, so I'll teach you how to read tabs. The tabs will be given in 4 lines which indicate each of the strings of the ukulele. The G string is indicated as the bottom line of the tabs and followed by the C, E and A. Okay, so each of the string indicates, so bottom is G, C, E, A. The numbers on the line indicate the frets which will be placed on the ukulele. So the 0 indicates the open string, 1 indicates 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on and so forth. This will be C, which will be 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. Okay, and then the next will be G, will be 0, 2, 3, 2. That is how you read tabs. So let's dive into the song. The tabs will be given here. So we'll start with the introduction. It starts like this. Okay, so this is the first verse. The tabs are given here. It starts with the A string. We'll be playing a C, but our finger on the ukulele will be a G. Okay, so it goes with you pluck from the bottom and then the E string. So it goes like. Then after that you play with your ring finger. You play a ring finger on the bottom lower strings. Okay, so it goes like this. So. Then after that we pluck the same finger on the same strings, which is the 3rd fret of the A and E string. Pluck the E string twice and then the bottom string. Then after that we transit to the G minor chord. Okay, after the G minor chord we play an F chord but removing the middle finger here. So it's just a finger on the E string on the 1st fret. So instead of strumming normally, you use all your 4 fingers to strum to create the effect. Okay, so this is after the strum. So you go E on the 3rd fret, open, keep your pointy finger here, and then go back. Now you play on the A string, and then plug the A string which is open, and then plug the E string twice on the 3rd fret. So it's supposed to sound like this. Okay, and now we move to the pre-chorus, which is supposed to sound like this. Okay, so we start with the E string again on the 3rd fret, and then you open on the A string. And then put the fret on the 3rd fret, your finger on the 3rd fret. Then we slide. We do a bar chord but only for the bottom top strings. We play on the 5th fret with the dot here. I suggest to just play the bottom 3 strings only. And then use your pinky on the 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 5. 8, 7, 5. So it goes like this. And then the same thing for the second part, which is. But instead of doing the bar chord only, we put our middle finger on the 2nd bottom string, which is the E string again. And then use your pinky again on the A string on the 8th fret. 8th fret. And then on the 7th again. Okay, so it's supposed to sound like this. And then now we play with the melody. Okay, it starts on the 9th fret. 9, 9, 5, 9, 9, 5. Then you go on 7. 7 slide to 8. 9, 9, 5, 9, 9, 5. 7 slide to 8. 6, 5, 3. Okay, so we end it, instead of playing the plucking on the third string, we do a C minor chord, which is just your your pointing finger on the bottom 3 frets. Your pointing finger on the bottom 3 frets, then you strum. Okay, so we have done with the introduction part, and then now we go to the instrumental part, which goes like dun 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 dun. If you can see my normal video, it is actually I use 2 tracks. The first is the instrumental, which is a melody, and then I strum the chords in the background. So if you want, you can incorporate it. Yeah, I just play the melody, which the taps will be here. Okay, so this is a portion right after the instrumental. This is where the singing starts again. So we'll be playing mostly on the C and the E strings, the middle 2 strings, because of the bass effect, and we won't be using much of the chords. So follow up with the taps up here, and let's dive in. So this is how it sounds. Okay, so we start with an open C string. So we pluck it 2 times, and then we use the E string, but with the finger on the first fret of the E string. So it goes, then open, so it goes like, and then we come back on the C string but on the 2nd fret. So that's how it goes. Then open the C string again, put on the 2nd fret again, and then plug the C string 2 times. So it goes like this. Then this is how the second portion goes. It's with the open C again. Then we go to the E string but on the 3rd fret. This is a G note. So then we go with the open A, G, open A. We go to the E string but on the 1st fret, and then open. Okay, so this is the portion. This part will start with the E string. Open, open, 1, open. And then we go to the C string on the 2nd fret and plug the E string again. Open on the C, and then open on the A. So it goes like this: open, open, 1, open. Then on the C string, on the 2nd fret, and then E again. Open on the C, and then open A. Okay, so open A, then again open A. Then we go to the 8th fret. Then we repeat the same thing again. Then after that we just do plucking on the A string again. A string. So we go on the 6, 6, 6, 6, 5. Then we go on the E string. Then E string and open A. E string, open A, and then 3rd fret of the A string. And then 2nd fret. Okay, so this is how it goes, and then you come back to the chorus again. So it goes. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you all have understood the song, and then do tag your ukulele, and do press subscribe and like if you enjoyed this, and share with your friends if you know that they love this song or play the ukulele. And thank you.